What's up, my people? It is the YouTube headmaster, and today I'm back with another video. Today we are checking at who is the most watched personality in Kenya today on YouTube. So I have prepared this list for you guys. I have selected all the personalities, all the YouTube channels with over 100k subscribers on YouTube, and I have ranked them from position 1 to position the last. So you can come to this domain and check. You can come to my domain and check this one. You can come to my domain and check this one, or you can listen to this explanation, and then you will understand. So from yesterday up to today, this time Churchill Show has improved with 209k views and 0 subscribers. Yesterday Churchill had improved with 10k subscribers. So today 0 subscribers. Otile Brown official 200k. So we are looking at who is the most watched personality in Kenya today. I'm comparing the views I got yesterday here and the views I got today. Then I get this mathematics here, view improvement. So you see 1114k Wilipose, but Kenya mtoto wa mama 501k views. So let's see if Bad is the most watched celebrity today. So we will be looking at any other celebrity who has 500k views. So you can see this one is 179k, 69k. The top 10, unaona Crazy Kena 69k yako top 10, Shama Boy 117k, and Ridisago 41k. So let's check if there is anybody else who has over 500k views like Bahati 267k, 143k, 406 40k, 131k. Mwinga Eve 1000 subscribers. The Jesus Family 313k. Good, hawajafikia Bahati Kenya. The Pluto Show 1k, 183k. DJ Perez 14k. DJ Perez 14k. Nomad Pro Story 13k. Calligraph Jones, Papa Jones 1k, 5k, 1k subscribers, 5k views. Fila Tube 41k views. Aya, let's check kama kuna mtu akona okay. Steven Kazalo 63k. Let's check kama kuna mtu yoyote akona ini 45k. Monk comedian Kenya. Kuna mtu yoyote akona over 500k views kama Bahati? Miss Trudy 45k. Natasha 21k. 115k Kadusko. Rap Uria 148, 67k. Marish Beauty Channel. Ringtone Apoko is the most dropped today. I have checked. Ringtone Apoko is the most dropped today with negative 17k. 10k. What the fuck is this? Andrew Kibe 3k 50. 533k views. Fuck, you can see. So it is like it's the most watched. When is today? Today I don't know when it is today, by the way. Wednesday. Andrew Kibe Wednesday watu wana watch sana 533k. Gossips. So you can see, I don't think if there is any other personality who has improved like that. You can see clearly there's no any other personality who has improved like that. Nava the Queen 1k. So that is it for today. thank you guys for taking your time and listening to this pass list, YouTube pass list Kenya. We compare our celebrities every day and see who has improved and who has not improved. Then we get the most watched personality today. So the most watched personality today was Andrew Kibe, followed by Bahati Kenya, and the most dropped is Ringtone Apoko. Let's see you tomorrow.